Iowans are getting property tax notifications in the mail. They're meant to help people understand what they'll be paying and when they can go to public hearings to weigh in.
But as KCCI Chief Investigative Reporter Suzanne Benke found out, some people are finding them really confusing. Suzanne.
Laura, Jody, these forms are required to be sent out to all property owners under state law. They come from your county officials and include information about the property tax rates for counties and cities and school districts. Tonight, KCCI is helping you get the facts on these forms and why it may look like your tax rate is going up when it may not be.
Definitely is misleading.
Yes.
So,
This Ankeny resident went to the Polk County supervisors to ask about his property taxes.
according to this, you want to raise me up by 6.7%.
But that isn't the case.
You're telling me that my property taxes won't go up. I actually should see a slight reduction.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for your time.
The state mandated property tax notice hitting Iowans' mailboxes right now uses a hypothetical scenario based on a $100,000 home. It assumes that taxes will go up by 10%. This seems to be what trips up some people. State law requires the form looking just like this, and it has to go out to all property owners. The goal is to keep taxpayers informed, but it's not working as it's intended. The city of Waukee recently put together a series of social media posts to explain.
There's just a lot that goes into it that if you're not in it on a daily basis, it's very hard to understand it.
Brad Dietz is the city administrator for Waukee. He says the city has details on its website about the form and all property taxes, and he also told us residents can contact City Hall if they have questions.
I think you'd find from most cities, we welcome the participation in the process and just ask questions.
KCCI spoke with the Iowa Department of Management about the notices. They want Iowans to know that the form is not a bill. It's for information purposes only. The department tells us the forms show the details for the three main taxing authorities that make up your tax bill: school, city, and county. That makes up about 90% of your total tax bill. Each entity is required to hold a public hearing about these taxes. The hearings are not mandatory to attend, but they do offer you a chance to learn more about the rates and to give your feedback. You can also go to the Department of Management's website, where there is a total roadmap about property taxes across the state. Some tax experts argue there needs to be a change with that form, and they point to Minnesota.
This form is really complicated. What we've always advocated for is for that form to say, how much more am I going to spend once this budget passes? Give me a dollar amount. And in the Minnesota form that we've used as an example, clearly lists that. In the state of Minnesota, when your city or your county is passing a new budget, you get a form in the mail that says you will pay $200 more next year because of this budget. That's a number that Iowans care about.
It would be up to lawmakers to make a change. So far this session, there's been no proposal related to Iowa tax forms.
Schools, cities, and councils are still planning their budgets for the next fiscal year that starts July 1st. Now, public hearings on those proposed tax rates are still going on. You can find a list of which central Iowa cities are holding those hearings this week on kcci.com. And don't forget, your current property taxes are due today.